This is the music. The music is sounding so relaxed. You dah over the mood or the level, the levelity of the music. Say, jangan tarik. That's your habit. Because I see your wing. Alright, that one, Kalau kita ambil ni.
I see your wings.
Relax, relax. Tone down, relax. We enhance the sound. Don't compress the sound. Technical singing is very important untuk you senang nak nyanyi. That's why kita buat latihan tadi kan. And then come out balik dengan kena tahu you punya level singing dengan music. So dengar balik music tu macam mana dia calm. Dia bring dengan cara yang lebih bertenang. Okay?